you think you're not good enough, you may have imposter syndrome. Now, imposter syndrome is a feeling of insecurity and doubt. चाहे आपने लाइफ में कितना कुछ अचीव कर लिया हो, आपने लाइफ में वो सब चीज़ें पाली हो जो हर किसी के पास नहीं होती, चाहे आपने लाइफ में कितनी सक्सेस पाली हो, बट देयर इज़ अ फीलिंग ऑफ डाउट, एक फीलिंग ऑफ डाउट कि शायद ये मेरी वजह से नहीं है, बल्कि इस वजह से है कि शायद मैं लकी हूँ, maybe I'm lucky and that is the only reason that I've got this much level of success or money or fame or whatever it is. And this is the feeling that can lead to insecurities and more insecurities. Now in this video we are going to talk about imposter syndrome and what are the signs that you might consider thinking that you may have imposter syndrome. The first sign is constant self-doubt. Even after achieving so much of success, you might feel that, do I really deserve it, or I just simply got lucky? And that is the feeling of doubt that you might have if you are having that imposter syndrome in you. Sign number 2, attributing success to external factors. It means आप अपनी skills और अपने हार्ड वर्क को इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं दे रहे हो, बट यू आर जस्ट थिंकिंग दैट मे बी आई जस्ट गॉट लकी, मे बी द टाइमिंग वॉज राइट, मे बी some friend of mine who helped me out, because of that I got this success, and you are not focusing on your hard work, your commitment to a thing, and whatever you have put in, the effort, everything, you are not taking that into consideration but the external factors. Let me take a very common example. For example, you got this job and you think this is not because of my skills but I got this job because उनको कोई बहुत जल्दी चाहिए था, जो कि मेरे साथ भी होता है कई बार कि मुझे जॉब मिल जाती है और उसके बाद मुझे लगता है कि ओहो मुझसे तो ये काम हो भी पाएगा या नहीं हो पाएगा. सो इफ यू आर गेटिंग अ जॉब एंड यू आर थिंकिंग कि इनको कोई बहुत जल्दी चाहिए होगा तो इन्होंने सिर्फ मुझे इसलिए ले लिया, अदरवाइज मैं इस जॉब के लिए ना बाबा ना. एंड दैट्स द थिंग दैट यू माइट फील if you are having that imposter syndrome in you. Sign number 3, fear of being exposed as a fraud. For example, you got this job and you are thinking that what if they get to know that I am not that competent enough that they are thinking me of, क्योंकि आपको लगता है कि मैं इतना competent नहीं हूँ ये करने के लिए, and because of you just got this by luck, और अब लोगों को पता ना लग जाए कि मुझे तो ये चीज़ें नहीं आती and I will come across as a fraud. और ये feeling हमेशा रहती है. Even in my case, if I'm in a job and they are just asking me to do some work, I'm like, what if they get to know that I have just done it one time or I haven't even done it ever. So वो feeling, वो fear कि लोगों को पता लग जाएगा कि मुझे चीज़ नहीं आती, that's the feeling which can come across to you. और ये जब तब होती है जब किसी में imposter syndrome वाले signs होते हैं. So this is one of the sign of being in that situation of being an imposter syndrome. Sign number 4, ओवरवर्किंग टू कंपनसेट. क्योंकि तुम्हें लगता है कि कहीं मैं एज अ फ्रॉड लोगों के सामने ना आ जाऊं कि लोगों को पता लगे कि मुझे ये चीज़ नहीं आती. सो यू ट्राई टू वर्क हार्ड एंड हार्ड एंड हार्ड एंड देयर इज नथिंग रॉन्ग इन डूइंग वर्क हार्ड, बट लाइक क्रेजी इनफ कि अपनी हेल्थ को पीछे छोड़ दो, क्रेजी इनफ कि अपनी लाइफ, पर्सनल लाइफ को पीछे छोड़ दो, सिर्फ हार्ड वर्क में लग जाओ, सिर्फ इसलिए कि कहीं लोगों को पता ना लग जाए मुझे चीज़ नहीं आती. सो यू आर जस्ट पुटिंग ऑल योर टाइम एंड एफर्ट एंड एवरीथिंग, डूइंग द हार्ड वर्क, डूइंग इट इन अ रॉन्ग वे. That can lead to stress and more stress and more of that feeling that you are a fraud. You are pushing yourself hard to those unrealistic standards just to become confident enough कि लोगों को आपके बारे में पता ना लगे कि you are a fraud. If that is the feeling that you have sometimes and that's what you are doing, it means that is the sign of having that imposter syndrome in you. Sign number 5, discounting compliments. For example, if someone comes to you और वो आपकी तारीफ कर रहा है, so you just brush it off saying that, oh yeah, thank you, that is all. You are uncomfortable taking that compliment because you think that you do not deserve it. It's that they are just being nice to you. तुम्हें लगता है कि वो सिर्फ तुमसे थोड़ा अच्छे से बात करने की कोशिश करें, अदरवाइज कोई तुमने बहुत बड़ी चीज़ अचीव नहीं कर ली है. If you are not taking the compliments, it means this is the sign. Sign number 6, perfectionism. Now you set a very high standard for yourself. If you do not achieve it, then you think that you are not capable enough, and that self-doubt creeps in more and more. Now perfectionism is not bad, it's good, but to an extent. But to an extent that you're just taking that level too high that it is unable to reach, or this is like very hard to do. And if you are lacking even a single percent, you think that you are not capable enough, which is, I don't think, right, but that is a sign of having imposter syndrome. साइन नंबर 7, डिफिकल्टी इन एक्सेप्टिंग द अचीवमेंट्स। आपने कुछ बड़ा अचीव किया है, उसको सेलिब्रेट करने के बजाय यू थिंक यार ऐसा कुछ बड़ा भी नहीं कर लिया है, ये तो कोई भी कर सकता था। सो दैट्स द साइन दैट यू माइट हैव इफ यू आर हैविंग दैट imposter syndrome in you. Sign number 8, constantly comparing yourself with others, that you're comparing yourself with others and you are thinking that they are better than you and you are feeling that lack in you, and that feeling of adequacy becomes more strong within you. So comparison in one of the things that you should avoid, and this is the sign is anxiety and stress, that feeling कि आप कभी भी एज अ फ्रॉड लोगों के सामने आ सकते हो, that fear creeps in and that comes in becomes a stress, that becomes anxiety, and because of that you are unable to live life like fully, and if you even if you are getting successes, you are not able to enjoy that success. Now, imposter syndrome can feel overwhelming, but the good news is we can manage it. So let's see some points that we can go through and try to manage that imposter syndrome in our life. Number 1, acknowledge your feelings. It's okay to feel like that. You are not alone. Most of the people feel like that, so it is a common thing. So you do not have to afraid of it. Now, the first thing that you can do is pause and reflect. Let those thoughts come into your head. Pause and reflect on those thoughts. And अगर वो थॉट्स ऐसे आते हैं कि मैंने कुछ ज़्यादा अचीव नहीं किया है, आई एम नॉट दैट सक्सेसफुल, देन यू हैव टू चैलेंज दोज थॉट्स विद योर अचीवमेंट्स. शो देम द अचीवमेंट्स दैट यू हैव डन. से इफ यू हैव सेड दैट यू हैव मेड अ कमिटमेंट, और तुमने कहा कि मैं सुबह 5 बजे उठ के कुछ करूंगी, और तुमने वो किया, सो दैट इज अ कमिटमेंट दैट यू हैव कंप्लीटेड. सो यू कैन चैलेंज दोज थॉट्स विद दैट कमिटमेंट. कुछ सक्सेस, कुछ एग्जाम क्लियर करना था, कुछ करना था और वो तुमने पा लिया, तो चैलेंज दैट thought with that success. So that's how we can move forward with it, become better at managing our thoughts. Next is reframe your thinking. Reframing your thinking is that being unsuccessful or being a failure for just sometimes, it really doesn't make you less of a person, right? So you have to keep this in mind कि अगर एक छोटा सा फेलियर आ गया है, so that should not be a setback. वो छोटा सा setback आया ना, तो वो बस वहीं पर खत्म, उसके बाद आप आगे बढ़ सकते हो. That is not the end. You are not a fraud, you are not an imposter. So you can become better at it, you can do better what you have done in your life, and you can achieve more and more. So it's only about reframing your thinking. Next, talk about it. Talk about those feelings that you are having, those thoughts that you have, and that are making you more stressful. So उन thoughts के बारे में, उन feelings के बारे में बात करो अपने friends से, अपने mentor से. कोई ना कोई तो होगा जिससे आप अपने मन की बात, दिल की बात कर सकते हो. So talk to those people. Now the thing is, जितना ज़्यादा आप इन चीज़ों को दबा कर रखोगे, the feelings that you just keep within yourself, वो और ज़्यादा strong होती चली जाएंगी, जिससे और ज़्यादा problems होंगी. You will be more stressful, you have that anxiety, that feeling of lack or inadequacy. So it's better to go out and talk to your friend, talk to a mentor, whoever you can talk to freely. And you know what, you will realize that sometimes they might come out like, hey, exactly the same feeling I'm having. So you will get the idea that you are not only alone, and there are other people who are also feeling the same thing. So you do not have to worry about this. You can win over it, right? Next is celebrate your win. Yes, you have earned that success, you have earned that badge, you have put all your effort and power, your hard work and everything in it. So you deserve it. It's not just only luck. Luck का कुछ percentage हो सकता है, but it's not purely about luck. It is also about your hard work, your commitment, and the effort that you have put in. So next time if you get the success, feel it and try to celebrate it with others or alone. Give yourself some credit. It's not only because of the luck, it's not a fluke, it is your success, and that you have achieved, you have earned it. Next, you must know how to accept the compliments. Next time someone comes to you and gives you a compliment, don't just brush it off. Say thank you politely and accept that. I know it is hard when you think that this is not because of you, it's only because of the luck. और तुम्हें लगता है कि ये मेरी वजह से कुछ नहीं है, तो बस मैं लकी हो गई इसलिए मुझे सक्सेस मिल गई. लेकिन अगर कोई सामने से आता है, कोई कॉम्प्लीमेंट करता है, just take that compliment in, accept that, and realize, feel that it is only because of you. So take that compliment from the next time and say thank you rather than just brushing it off. Next is stop comparing yourself. I know it is very hard, and in this life where we have these phones, we have Instagram, we have all these sort of apps जहाँ पर हर कोई सक्सेसफुल हो रहा है, हर किसी के पास लैम्बोर्गिनी है, डॉली चाय वाले ने इतना कुछ कमा लिया, you might feel that urge of comparing yourself with others, but you know what, your I don't know, but you know what, your competition is only you. So I was competing, I was just thinking in my head that I am not good enough, I'm not getting that much of salary that my peers are getting. Last year I wasn't even getting this much, but now I'm getting this. So from the next time I have to know that you have to compare yourself with yourself. Last year you and this year you, क्या last year में ये चीज़ मिल रही थी जो आपको अभी मिल रही है? It means you have grown, right? It's not always about the perfectionism, it's more about the growth. So stop comparing yourself with others, but compare yourself with your own version of last year, last week, last day. Remember, overcoming imposter syndrome is a journey, and this is common. ये होता रहेगा, ये thoughts आते रहेंगे. So it's a whole long journey in your life. So try to overcome it. First of all, you have to see the signs, if you have these signs in you, and then try to overcome it one by one. Just try to build upon one thought, then second, and just keep working upon it and become better in your life, rather than just thinking that you are a fluke, that you are a fraud, you are an imposter. No, you are not. That's just the feeling that everyone has. So chill. In points per काम कर you will try to feel that you are better than what you were thinking. आपको अपने ऊपर confidence आएगा. You will try to live by your achievements, and you must know that you can do better than what you are doing right now. So keep working on yourself and don't doubt yourself. If you like the video, so be subscribed to the channel so that we can meet the next time. Have a great time.